Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid bridges on Waze while navigating to your destination. Whether you're driving a large vehicle, dealing with height or weight restrictions, or you simply want a route that skips bridges for peace of mind, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, even if you've never customized your Waze routes before. First, open your Waze app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once the app loads, look toward the top left corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. From there, tap on Settings and follow along carefully so you don't miss any important options. Next, inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find an option called Navigation or Driving Preferences, depending on your app version. Tap on it, and you'll see several route customization options that help you control how Waze plans your trips. This is where you can fine-tune your driving experience exactly the way you want. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Waze app is updated to the latest version, and confirm that location permissions are enabled on your phone. Also, keep in mind that avoiding bridges may slightly increase travel time, but it can help you feel more comfortable and confident on the road. Once you've completed these steps, look for route options like avoiding difficult roads or specific road types, and enable the settings that best match your needs. After that, start your navigation as usual, and Waze will automatically calculate routes that try to avoid bridges whenever possible. It's also a good idea to preview the route before you start driving, just to double-check everything looks right. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and avoids last-minute surprises. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to avoid bridges on Waze easily and efficiently, giving you a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. You might just make someone's drive a lot safer and more stress-free. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more practical tips and tricks to get the most out of Waze and make your journeys smoother.